Good morning, children. In the previous class, we had completed first chapter. Now, today we will start our next chapter. But before we start our next chapter, in the previous class, that is class 9, you had studied something about matter. Now, what is matter? Matter is something which has space, which occupies space and has mass. It was classified. It was classified into elements, mixture, and compound. Elements are further classified as metals, non-metals, and metalloids. And mixture, they were classified as heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Compounds, on the basis of their chemical properties, are classified as acids, bases, and salts. This is our new chapter, that is acid, bases, and salts. Before this also you had studied about acid, bases, and salts. Now you remember that acid, what is acid? Acid is something which tastes sour, or bases which they taste bitter. This you had studied in the previous classes, lower classes. Now similarly, more indicators are there by which you can identify acids and bases. Now first, what is an indicator? Indicator is a dye. Indicator is a dye in which if we put acid or bases, it shows some change in color. That is an indicator. Now here I have listed some indicators and what do they show in acid and bases. It's given here. Litmus paper, this you had studied before. Litmus paper, blue litmus paper turns red in acid. In bases, red litmus turns blue. Methyl orange, it is originally orange in color. It is synthetic indicator. When acid is put in it, it changes red in color, and for base it gives yellow color. Phenolphthalein, it is colorless. It remains colorless in acid, and in base it changes pink color. Turmeric, we'll see that experimentally. Red cabbage, it is red in color. It remains red in acid. In bases, it shows green in color. Now there is something which is called as olfactory indicator. Now what is olfactory? Olfactory word means it is related to smell. Now onion, it has smell. It has some peculiar smell. Now this smell is detected when acid is put on it, whereas the smell is not detected when base is put on it. Vanilla, this is also a very sweet smell. Now this smell is detected in acid and it cannot be detected in bases. Now for turmeric, we'll do this. It is a natural indicator. We'll perform an experiment. What is that? You have a white piece of cloth. This is your turmeric. Here your acid, which is lemon, and here it is base, that is soap. You can see I am taking some turmeric. Here I am putting some turmeric in the white piece of cloth, applying some turmeric. Now I'll put some acid. Now what happens? Does the color change? I too don't know what happens. You just tell me what happens. Can you see any change in color or anything which happened when acid was put? Turmeric is yellow in color. There is no change in color or nothing happened when I put acid in this. So here remains yellow. Okay, here it is, remains yellow. Now for base, the same thing I'll do it for base. Here I'll take some turmeric. Here this is turmeric on white piece of cloth, and I have to apply some soap. This soap I'm trying to apply. Okay, I'll apply it directly with hand. See. What can you see? What has happened to the turmeric or white piece of cloth? Here you can clearly see the color has changed. The color has changed to reddish brown. Reddish brown color it has become. In case of acid, there is no change in color, whereas in case of base, the color has changed. This indicates that this soap is a base. Now, here you saw the color has changed to reddish brown. Okay, now this is all about indicators. Now we will see what an acid is. What an acid is? Acid is something with a substance. It is a substance, matter at all. Now, it is something which when dissolved in water, it produces or it releases hydrogen ions or hydronium ions. Substances which dissolve, actually they don't dissolve fully, they just substances which release hydrogen ions, hydrogen or hydrogen ions H plus or hydronium ions, H3O plus when mixed with water. This is acid. Acid is substance which releases hydrogen ions or hydronium ions when mixed with water. Now bases. What are bases? Bases are also substances which release, they do not release hydrogen ions. They release hydroxide ions, OH minus ions. Hydroxide ions, that is OH minus ions when this is base. Example of acid. Example of acid is your citric acid, lactic acid, or the commonly used HCl. HCl is an example of acid. HCl, H2SO4. These are examples of acid, whereas these are acids. Whereas base, NaOH, all the hydroxides, CaOH twice, these are all bases. Okay. Now this is about acid and base. Further about acid and bases we will study in the next class. For today, thank you.